So you want to enhance your photo, you want to make it more sharp and up there, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen your picture in Pixlr. So it's quite simple. All you gotta do is hit one button and yeah, you're gonna see in the video. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the Pixlr app here. And here you can see this image. So let's say I want to sharpen this one, right? So all you have to do is go into the left bottom corner, and there you can see tools option, and you can literally see option that's a sharpen. So let's tap in there, and you can go all the way up and see how it's too sharp, like it's not looking that nice. So always keep in mind that you always want to keep it in the middle. There's also a reduce thing, so yeah, again, you see how where I'm tapping this, it's becoming more smoother. So I guess this is what it does. So yeah, about the sharpening, so I hope you know how to sharpen by now. So this is how to sharpen your picture to make it more out there. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.